Hello, my noble band of outlaws, Outlaw Samurai, coming at you live with a video. Well, I was at my local Dollar General, perusing the aisles as one does, and I came across this. This is a margarita ready to drink. Now, as I am not alcoholically inclined, I asked at my friend who works there, who has a bartender license, and he said, while this is technically a margarita, not margarita mix, it is also not a true margarita that I would need tequila for. And I'm lazy and don't want to have to go to Big Red Liquors and buy more Patron. So I got this. It is made with 100% agave nectar. I have no fucking clue what agave is. Wine cocktail. 13.9% alcoholic, made with real fruit juice. So yeah, government warning, blah 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 blah. Ooh. Ooh, that smells nice. And as we always do, because Outlaw is no bitch, straight to the head. Oh, dude. Oh, Lord. This is bad for me. Like, it tastes like a Mike's lemonade. Word of advice. Don't get fucking wine up your nose. Or in this case, margarita up your nose. This tastes like a fucking hard lemonade. And I love Mike's lemonades. If this was chilled, oh, you know your boy be drinking the shit out of this. It's Liquoise Cocktail Co. There's not many alcohols that I will knock back like that. But since I have it with me, that I've almost, damn. I need to slow down because it's only 13%. How fucked up can it possibly make me? Famous last words, I know. And yes, any bartenders out there that is looking at this and probably cussing at me in French and or think I'm a blasphemous sinner, I don't give a fuck. My drink, my way. Oh, that's bad. That's bad in a good way. That's fire. Oh, Lord. I need to stop drinking it, but it tastes so good. You know, for alcohol, it tastes damn good. It's like one of those wine coolers or that, like a Mike's Lemonade. This is my kryptonite, okay? I don't have a taste for strong alcohols. But shit like this, if I'm not careful, I'll drink the whole damn bottle before I realize I've drank the whole damn bottle, if that makes any sense. But with that in mind, I know y'all have been wanting more content recently, and I've been trying to make it. It's just, if I'm being really honest here, I haven't been feeling particularly motivated since Outlaw Granny went back into hospital Tuesday night. And I haven't made any kind of backlog that I could upload or anything. So, I thank all of you for showing your support for Outlaw Granny. She's doing fine. She's back to fighting and clawing and biting at the nurses and staff. Their usual self-defense mechanisms. So, I thank all of you, my noble band of outlaws, and all those who have shown support, and she thanks you as well. And until next time, my noble band of outlaws, Outlaw Samurai tells all y'all be crazy rednecks, be safe and use your weapons. I'm out. Peace.